Okay, so for this challenge, you can stand up. Okay, if you can't stand, that's fine. You can do this sitting down. I'll show you that in a second. Put one leg in front, one hand in front. Okay. Now we're gonna punch with the front hand like this. Stretch it out. Okay, it's protecting you here. Stretch it out, and we're gonna go 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back. Now, what we like to do in karate is move our feet. So we can get closer and hit at the same time, okay? Now you're gonna jump forward and punch and jump back and pull back, okay? 1, bam, back, 2, bam, back, 3, bam, back, 4, 5. Easy. You can do this sitting down if you have to. Here, just push one hand forward and go forward, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. We call this kizami or maikenzuki, okay? In Japanese. Okay, enjoy that challenge.